Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade in Glacier Metallic. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, LED cornering fog lamps, 19-inch granite painted aluminum wheels, satin granite exterior accents, satin granite roof rails, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch color cluster with TFT display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, tungsten interior accent stitching, dual-pane panoramic power sunroof, tonneau cover, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5458.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.